Guys, so we're on the way in the airport. Yay! Excited ka, love?
Yes.
First travel niya, guys. Outside the UAE. Hindi pala, kasi Philippines outside din eh. Europe. Hey! Anong expectation mo?
Expectation.
Exact lang.
Pagkain talaga iniisip ko dun. Exam ba to?
So yun, see you guys on the airport later. Bye. Let's go.
Ito talaga lang.
Dito na kami sa boarding, guys. Ano na?
Excited.
Tumain ka na. Tatai ka, di ba?
Hindi ako nakatain.
Sa boarding na kami, guys. Oh, love, ikaw mag-abot ng ano niya.
Form?
Oo. Tsaka tong ano mo, kukunin nila yun. Where are you going?
Sa bahay.
Ang layo ng iniikutan ng bagong airport. Pagod ka na bago makapunta sa port zone. Bye, love!
Ito na yung Pinas.
Air Arabia. So, we're here now, guys, at the airport. Airplane. Sakay na kami ng airplane. 3.5 hours travel. So, time check.
9,
10, 11, 12. Mga 1 or 1:30 dating namin sa lunch time. Gutom time. So, see you mamaya, guys. Bye. So, nakalaro na kami, guys. Lalabas na kami na aeroplano.
ASMR. ASMR ba yan?
So, guys, dito na kami sa Baco Airport.
Where's here?
Uy, ganda. Flip mo lang, pakita mo.
Ito? Ayun o, ganda. Ayun
Saan
din,
siya?
maganda.
Malamig. Parang Georgia.
Kaya tayo. Malamig nga, love.
Ito yung airport nito. Glass na. Here, at your back. Diba? Glass na. Yay! First travel ni Malhab. Lamig. Ganda ng weather.
Yeah.
Hindi ganun kalamig. Pero may araw.
May araw pero malamig. So, balance. Ay! Ito na, exact lang.
Ang ganda ng building na ito.
Yung spelling ng police nila dito.
Bawal.
Police.
gutom na yun.
Okay. Dito kami magstay. Hawakan ko for you.
So, sa tayo kakain lang. First day. Ay. Our first meal is pizza. The first meal mo, love. Pizza. And nuggets fries.
We are independent, and Hyder Ali was biggest supporter for this. Also, shape of his signature, he put his sign for this future for us. Inside there are two parts. Mine is third retro car exhibition.
So, malamig guys. Jacket.
Let's go!
Kami sunog. So guys, our first destination, I don't know what's the name.
Sinabi kanina eh.
Infinity lang naintindihan ko. Okay lang ako na okay.
Hey, Ryan, darling. Mas.